Hey folks, your OS reviews. You're watching our video review of the kdLinks UE4. This is a 4-port USB 3.0 adapter for you to plug into your computer. It's a PCIe card, so it is basically supported by most desktop computers that you will find. And again, it converts your pre-existing, perhaps USB 2.0 or even lower USB 1.1 ports to a faster and more optimized USB 3.0, which supports up to 5 gigabits per second for file transfer. So it's a lot faster. It's going to save you a lot more time when you're using it to transfer data from a hard drive into your computer and so on and so forth. And of course, with more and more smartphones and tablets coming in with USB 3.0 connectivity, you can also transfer data from your computer to a mobile device a lot faster in terms of charging and also for, again, syncing data. So again, because USB 3.0 also supports USB 2.0 and 1.1, it truly is a lossless upgrade. So if you get one of these and you put it into your computer, you're not going to lose anything by upgrading to the larger 3.0 interface. Otherwise, it's a pretty standard component here. Again, it supports all of these functions listed here, so it's going to be pretty universal as far as fitting in. It's also has a built-in 4-pin interface for the power supply. So again, you basically, if you want to, there's a port where you can plug in the power if you have to on your model, but some devices have those built in. So it's a very intuitive all-in-one solution for you to, again, upgrade the speed on your USB ports on a desktop to a faster 3.0 interface. And there is a quick indication on top here for how to install it, and some more information is included on the back of the product itself. Again, it should work with most Windows interfaces, including Windows XP, Vista, and 7. It doesn't include Windows 8 listed on the system requirement, but it actually will support Windows 8, so it's going to work with even more modern desktops as well. So some package contents includes the driver, the actual PCI Express card, the user manual, and a screw to be locked into the host of your device when you're installing it. So overall, it's put into this nice protective shrink wrap. The product itself can actually be found on Amazon.com for a price of around $20 street price or even lower, depending on when they have a sale. So it's a pretty good value as far as compared with other PCIe cards are considered. Pretty good value. The product came in about 3 days after I ordered it, so it's a pretty fast shipment as well, so we are excited about that. Inside the packaging, we have access to the actual card right on top. Over here, we have access to the driver CD. Again, you might not even need the driver. Some newer computers like Windows 8 will automatically detect the card and directly install it, so you don't have to actually put it in here. But for older computers like Windows XP, you might have to use this driver to get the device working. Again, it's a pretty easy to install experience. This is the screw that was aforementioned. Here's the instruction manual printed in monochrome black and white, and a quick warranty guide is included in the package as well. Taking a look at the actual card itself, we're going to open up the strap over here. Again, it's crafted out of this pretty sturdy material. You can see how the main board and the circuitry is printed on here. We have a nice fusion of plastic and also a nice fusion of metal components. So it feels like it's something that's pretty sturdy and it's not going to break when you're using it repeatedly, which is always nice. On the top here, this is actually what's going to be shown after you've installed it onto your computer itself. You have access to the 4 aforementioned USB 3.0 USB tips, and you can plug in any flash drive, any hard drive quite easily. The actual ports are enhanced by this nice metallic finish, so they are pretty sturdy as far as that is considered. So if you plug in a sample USB device on here, we can see that the process is actually quite easy to use. It's pretty sturdy, and there's enough spacing between all of the ports, so we can actually use all 4 ports simultaneously without having any interference in between, which is always nice. So overall, it seems to be a pretty nicely designed product. We're going to test it out a bit more. You can read our full review down in the description box below. But thanks for watching this video first look. Here are OS reviews of the kdLinks UE4 PCI card, which expands to USB 3.0 speeds on a desktop computer.